Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for Honorable Mr. Justice Bula Sin Halage Jayanta Pandukabaya D. Almeida Gunaratne as Acting President of the Court of Appeal shall now begin.
All right, thank you.
Your Excellency, I now have the further honor to invite Honorable Mr. Justice Bula Sin Halage Jayanta Pandukabaya D. Almeida Gunaratne to take the affirmation of allegiance and the affirmation for due execution of judicial office.
I, Bulaksingalake, Jayanta Pandukabe, de Almeida Gunaratne, do solemnly, sincerely and truly declare and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Bulaksingalake, Jayanta Pandukabe, de Almeida Gunaratne, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare and affirm that as the acting President of the Court of Appeal, I will be faithful, bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law.
Your Honor. Congratulations once again, and wish you well.